Hello guys, good day to all. This is Mike Padua and we're back to our latest update. And this is for today, August 20 to 22, 2024, English version, brought to you by Typhoon2000 and Naga College Foundation, one of the best educational institutions in Bicol region and Naga City. But before we begin, we'd like to thank our partners, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Sustainable with You. If you're interested, just click on the link up here. Or if you're watching via Facebook, visit the description page for more details regarding BPI Sustainable with You. And also one of the best hotels in the Bicol region and Naga City, Avenue Plaza Hotel. The local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabi Bordado. So let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat. We have a quick development of a tropical depression yesterday, which developed the other night. This was the cyclone named Tropical Storm Jongdari, and it has a local name Dindo, which only persisted for about 12 hours within the Philippine area responsibility before it moved out yesterday morning. And it's now in this area as it affects the Yellow Sea, the southern part of the Yellow Sea and the East China Sea. And it's expected to move into the boundary of North and South Korea within the next 24 hours. So this is a fast-moving system moving towards the north with stable wind speeds of 65 kph. This system has already dissipated, okay? And then this one, 99W, has also weakened a bit for the past 12 hours, and it's likely to dissipate as well. And we have here at the back of this text a tropical wave, which might become also a low pressure system, but this so far will not enter the Philippine area of responsibility. So far we continue to have a scarcity of tropical cyclone within our area of responsibility, which is good news. No effects to the Filipinos. But as we move into September, October, November, December, that's the most crucial part of this season. Since we are moving into a weak La Nina, there might be multiple developments of tropical cyclones, so we must be prepared, okay? And based on the latest from Pag-asa, it's currently around 10 to 15 tropical cyclones, and that will be the total so far for this year that will form. So expect 7 to 10 more tropical cyclones to develop or enter the Philippine area, or develop within the Philippine area of responsibility, or enter the PAR. And so far, for the past few days, we continue to experience dry conditions, and it will persist through the week, through the weekend. And we continue to expect this afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms to have some relief from these dry and hot, warm conditions across our country. So localized thunderstorms will still persist across various sections of the country, especially after lunchtime through the evening. But these are isolated ones, so nothing to worry about. Just take all necessary precautions against lightning strikes, possible flash floods when we have heavy thunderstorms in your respective areas. So we are going to check on the 1945 to 2023 tropical cyclones entering the PAR, but we are going to limit from 1963 because that's the first time Pag-asa used a local name or developed this Philippine area of responsibility. So this letter D, most likely this will be the late developing letter D in history of Pag-asa, okay, based on the local names. So we're going to check it out later if this Dindo was indeed the late developing alphabet of Pag-asa when it comes to letter D. Okay, so let's take a look at the fast animation. So there you go. This is now the convection or the circulation of tropical storm Jongdari with the local name Dindo, which is expected to make landfall here, but it will bring quite some significant rainfall across the Korean Peninsula. And this is LPA 91W moving behind Jongdari, but it's not expected to develop. And this one is also at surface trough, and it's not yet an LPA, but it might become an LPA. But based on the computer models, it might move into this direction. Okay, so far so good. The Philippine Islands will remain calm with light winds from the southwest. Okay, and variable winds elsewhere. The southwest monsoon is currently dead as of this time. Still very weak, only affecting the southern shorelines of China. And if we take a look at the track of Jongdari, so these are all the Asian agencies tracking it towards the boundary of South and North Korea within the next 24 to 36 hours. And for the zoom-in satellite animation for the Philippine Islands from windy.com, courtesy of UMETSAT, you can clearly see here some early morning thunderstorms passing over Mindoro and the Calamian group of islands, while the rest of the country are now having some sunny and blue skies, but in the afternoon or evening we expect these thunderstorms to return. So this is the forecast today. Good weather across the country except for Mindoro, and this afternoon we expect another round of thunderstorms in various sections of Luzon, including parts of Bicol region, Mindanao as well, and through the evening it starts to dissipate. Tomorrow morning, Tuesday, good weather. In the afternoon, we expect again another round of thunderstorms in various sections of Luzon, isolated areas of Bicol region, Palawan, as well as Mindanao. Thursday morning, good weather. Some scattered isolated showers over the eastern portions of the Bicol region Thursday morning. Thursday evening or Thursday afternoon to the evening, we expect more thunderstorms to occur over Mindanao with lesser chances in Visayas, Mimaropa, and Luzon. Friday morning, good weather. In the afternoon, here comes again the thunderstorms, becoming more frequent over Mindanao, but elsewhere there might be some low to moderate chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening, particularly here over eastern Visayas. So that's the forecast for the next 3 days until Friday for rain. And the total rainfall accumulation forecast from the European model, courtesy of windy.com, for the next 3 days. The accumulated rain is expected to be more frequent over Mindanao. Okay, and then moderate to low over Visayas, low accumulation over Bicol region. Over the mountains of Cordillera, Central Luzon, Cagayan Valley, there might be some low to moderate chance of rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days until Friday morning. And for the wind forecast, nothing to talk about for the next 3 days. The southwest monsoon remains on a break. And then variable winds, calm conditions will continue to prevail across the country until Friday. But there are some light northerly winds blowing along the coastal waters of central and southern Luzon, those facing the Pacific. Here's the LPA that might form, but it's still a open trough or open wave. Okay, surface wave, surface trough, whatever you call it. Okay, so far that's the 3-day forecast when it comes to winds and pressure. Nothing to worry about. And for the wave forecast, pleasantly good. And if we forward this until Friday, generally the East Philippine Sea is a much higher wave heights, but only about 1 meter. So very good for shipping and fishing. Inland waters will be calm to less than 5.5 meter. Okay, as well as over the West Philippine Sea, perfect for fishing and shipping travel, okay, or travel by ship. Just take note of possibility of thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening, which could generate some rogue waves due to what we call as subasco in Tagalog, or squalls. These are sudden gusts of winds when we have a thunderstorm, so watch out for that, especially in the afternoon or evening. Better to have some fishing activities in the morning, early morning, up to 12 noon, and avoid during early to late afternoon, because these are the times where the thunderstorms occur. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest update for today, Tuesday, and we will return in the next couple of days from Typhoon 2000. This is Mike Padua saying good day to all. Have a great week. Stay safe always. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Just click on the button, subscription button down here. Or if you're watching via Facebook page, Mike Mr. Typhoon Padua, just follow our page for more updates. Again, thank you so much, and God bless to all.